I comment on the news, so there's really no excuse not to listen to the Neil Archer Show. Well, chaps, one of the biggest improvements that the MAGA movement could make towards the lives of all of us is to take on and beat the Big Pharma and their monopoly on drugs. There is another article here. I've talked before about the possibility that some drugs like ivermectin and hydro you know the one I mean, hydro something chlorine, what they can do to cure cancer. The attitude of Big Pharma is a patient cured is a customer lost. They're far more interested in kind of treating symptoms than actually curing anything. And I am pretty much convinced that there is probably a cancer cure. It may not cure every single cancer, but I reckon there's probably cancer cures that exist, but they're being shadow banned, if you like, in a sense. They're being hidden because they will affect the profits of the drug companies. This is, to my mind, this is a kind of it's a worse, or it's on a par with genocide. And all those kind of crimes against humanity, to withhold potentially not just palliative but curing drugs from people with cancer, and I have a particular interest in this because I'm a cancer sufferer. I've had cancer twice. Thankfully, currently I'm in remission, but once you've had cancer, which is once really, you've got that sword of Damocles hanging over your head that it could come back. And when you've had it twice, it kind of, it's even more likely. So, I do have a personal interest in this particular issue. Anyway, that's really most of what I wanted to say today, and I just hope that Bobby Kennedy Jr. and Donald Trump take on the Big Pharma and basically beat the shit out of them. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. Well done if you got this far, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now.